Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert symbol of undo and redo in Excel. Go to Insert tab, click Symbol and select and find this webdings. Find this windings. Then click here and type character code 231. We can see this many arrow keys. Oh sorry, arrow symbol. Then insert here undo and redo. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Resize